Welcome back and thank you so much for staying with us. It's now time for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The government is going ahead with plans to cover some of the setup costs for the build-out of the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. The commitment was made at a tour of the facility's future location with prospective investors who came to Jamaica for the World Free Zones Conference. 650 acres of land earmarked for the development of the Caymanas Special Economic Zone in St. Catherine, a development touted for years that now appears to be a priority project for the government. On a tour of the development's proposed site on Thursday, Vice President of Engineering and Port Development at the Ports Authority of Jamaica TVJ, Gary Lawrence, says the entity is in the process of securing approvals in anticipation of the build-out of the zone.
We are now drafting our applications to NEPA for the necessary outline approvals, and at the same time we have started in terms of the procurement of our design team to complete the detailed designs, which is what will lead us into the construction phase.
Industry Minister Orbin Hill says the government will put up more than $40 million for the build-out of utilities for the project.
We're going to put in between $40 and $60 million to make sure that the utilities are at the gate, wherever Prof decides, he and Gary, the gate will be, that there will be broadband access to the gate, that there will be water to the gate. So the developer, the investor developer that we're asking to come in, will have everything at the gate, and they, some of them I hope will be you, will then come in and say, here, I have this 650 acre, we're going to look at it, develop it inside. There's a period of time that clearly will be negotiated over which it must be developed. It can't develop in a day, so we understand that, but it can't take forever either.
The government is actively seeking investors for the development. Now let's head to the currency market. It's costing an average $153.03 for the US dollar. $118.04 is the going rate for the Canadian, $187.55 for the pound, while it's costing an average $161.59 for the euro. And to the stock market, the JSE index declined by 1,478 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 44 points. Among today's winners were Dollar Financial Services, which listed yesterday, JMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Jamaican dollar, CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, and Mayberry Jamaican equities. While on the losing side were Main Event Entertainment Group, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, T-Tech, Indies Pharma Jamaica, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news, they're all after the break.